What is the number one most overlooked secret that all great presenters share? Let's find out. So let me share with you a quick story about two presenters. Presenter number one, when he delivers his speech or presentation, he prepares everything perfectly. He perfects his script, he perfects everything, his slides, his contents, his delivery, everything perfectly. He practices perfectly. And then he goes to a presentation day and what happens? He does everything perfectly. But for whatever strange reason, the audience does not really connect with him. And then there's presenter number two. He focuses on his audience. He also prepares his contents, his slides, right? Everything, his delivery well. He practices quite well, but he doesn't go overboard. He's not too overly concerned. He focuses mostly on his audience. And then presentation day comes and what happens? Yes, his presentation is strangely or not a raving success. So what is the biggest difference between these two presenters? What is this big secret that I was talking about? The biggest difference between these two is the first presenter tried to be perfect. Tried to be perfect. The second presenter, and that's what all great presenters have in common, it's one thing. They care. They care more about their audience than they care about their own perfection. They know things don't have to be perfect in a presentation for them to connect well with their audience. Their number one focus is that they care about their audience. So for you to become a great presenter, you can use the superpower as well. You want to win over audiences more, care more about your audience. Care more about what they want, what they're interested in, and then give it to them in your presentation. So comment below one time, how are you going to use the secret for your next presentation from now on? What are you going to do differently? Are you more like the first presenter so far? You care more about being perfect than about your audience? And if yes, what are you going to change from now on? If you haven't done it yet, also hit the subscribe button. Lots of great videos coming up. If you like this video, you can click like as well. And most importantly though, I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.